Team Forecast with Carson Vickroy.
All right, Carson, we've been begging and doing our little rain dance to try to get some rainfall around here, but it seems like we're going to get a whole lot at once.
Yes, it does look like that. Not necessarily for everybody, Cynthia. This is not going to be a widespread event, but where the rain does fall, it is going to come down like cats and dogs. Now, this is what we're looking at Fredonia Hotel in Nacogdoches. It's hot, it's humid, it's also cloudy. Now, we are dealing with this heat advisory, which is the main story for all of us today. Deep East Texas, some of our northeastern counties not included, but that doesn't mean it will not be hot and humid there. Now, temperatures right now, we're in the 80s and 90s, and as I mentioned, even if you're not included in that heat advisory, it's still hot. It's 90 in Mount Pleasant, 90 in Linden, 87 in Marshall, and 90 degrees. That is the current reading in Tyler. And we've got more 80s and 90s across some of our western counties. And 80s and 90s we can handle even if it is September 1st. But the issue here are those dew point values. Look at this, middle to upper 70s in most cases, and then Linden. Dew point of 82, that is just gross. And Hemphill, same story. Dew point values at 80 as well. Now, a part of the reason why we're so humid is because we have showers and thunderstorms very close to us. A couple of storms along Highway 82 between Bonham, Honeygrove, and Paris right here, and some of these could slide into parts of Hopkins and Franklin County, but for the most part, most of us are dry right now. So this trend is going to continue. Rain's going to slowly push a little closer to our area, entering our northwestern counties, maybe around 4, 5, 6 o'clock perhaps, and then by 9 o'clock we're going to see more of that widespread rain move into the area. And once again, this model is very, very aggressive with this. I don't think the rain is going to be this heavy, but there's a good chance that you will be dealing with problems from the rain as we go into about midnight tonight. Now, this will really try and make its way to the southeast, but notice here in Deep East Texas, we're probably not going to see all that much in the way of rainfall. By 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're still dealing with the showers and thunderstorms off to our north and west, and then as we take you into Wednesday afternoon, rain will really start to taper off, and we're really not going to be dealing with hardly anything at all through Wednesday night, but more rain is on the way for both Thursday and Friday. Here's that severe weather outlook. Now, this is just a level 1 marginal risk. If those storms do happen to get going, we could see some gusty winds along and north of I-20, maybe a little bit of hail at times. That's about it. I'm more concerned with these rainfall totals. Now, once again, this is just one model run, and I think it overdoes it just a little bit for some of our northwestern counties here, but several inches of rain are possible to the northwest of Jacksonville and Longview, while hardly any is expected for Deep East Texas. So if you live in places like Rains, Hopkins, Wood County, expect a lot of rain through at least tomorrow. 95, that's your high temperature today, about a 40% chance of rain. We up that to about 60% for tonight. And over your next several days, we're still tracking those rain chances. Better chances off to our north and west. Similar rain chances on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We've got highs in the 80s and then lower 90s Sunday and Monday, but there are signals of a major cool down a little later on than, what goes beyond your 7-day forecast there. Deep East Texas, we got to deal with those rain chances. Better chances arrive for us Thursday and Friday. Cynthia?
Thanks, Carson. Caught on